We're going to sketch the signals with respect to the discrete time signals. Okay, sketch x of n is equal to u of n minus u of n minus 4 we have sketched, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make a note. Note. First one. First one. U of n minus u of n minus 10 is equal to 1 limits from 0 to 9. N means it is 0. N minus 10 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 10. From 0 to less than 10. It means that less than 10. You are going to get this limit. If you want, what I have given last class, one method I have given, that is x of n is equal to u of n minus u of n minus 10. If you want, you can check, that is n less than 0 will be x of n is equal to 0. If n will be vary from 0 to 0 to 0 to 10, 0 to 10, you can check the value, you will get the same limits. Then for the second one, u of n plus 3 minus u of n minus 3 will be equal to 1 from minus 3 to 2. Then third one, u of n minus 2 minus u of n minus 9 is equal to 1. Why 1 means u of n, unit step function, amplitude always 1. If it is there any changes in the amplitude, here you are going to change the value. 2 less than n less than 8. Like this you are going to get the limits. Based on this, we'll try some more problem. This is just for note. You can make a note of this. Make a note of this. Then try next problem. Next problem. Sketch the problem number 122 in the first module. I think so. Sketch x of n is equal to u of n plus 2 minus u of n minus 3. Try this problem for both formula method as well as graphical representation. What we discussed in the last class, first sketch u of n, then u of n plus 2, then u of n minus 3, then consider u of n plus 2 and n minus 3, then take the difference between those two. First method. Then for the second method, it will be from limits. Based on the limits, you try. Will you try?
Yes, sir.
This is your u of n, right? Then can anyone tell me u of n plus 2? Zero less than n less than infinity. N plus 2. I want 0 less than n plus 2 less than infinity, minus 2 throughout the equation, 0 plus minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2 less than n less than infinity.
Screen not visible.
Sorry?
Screen not visible.
ರೀ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ? Now? Is it
Yes, sir.
visible?
No visible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here, n is vary from 0 to infinity. This is u of n. It will be vary up to 0 to infinity. I'm going to change for n plus 2. It will be from minus 2 to infinity. Amplitude will be 1. U of n will be amplitude 1. Then next signal n minus 3. N minus 3. The original signal 0 to infinity. 0 less than, sorry, n minus 3. Infinity plus 3. 3 less than n less than infinity. Signal will be starts at 3, ends at infinity. Now take the subtraction of these two. Subtraction of second signal and third signal. X of n is equal to u of n plus 2 minus of u of n minus 3. This is your u of n minus 3. I'm going to take the subtraction from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minus 0 at minus 2. At minus 2, we have 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. At 1, 1 minus 0, 1. At 2, 1 minus 0, 2. At 3, we have 0. From here, it will be 0. So on, n. This is your x of n. This is by using graphical method. Next, try for formula method. Formula method. Initially we have u of n plus 2. N plus 2. Now if I am going to take n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 2 means n less than minus 2 will be 0. Then from minus 2 to n minus 3 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 3. Minus 2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to plus 3. Next signal from here to here varies from minus 2 to plus 3. X of n will be amplitude of first signal. Amplitude of first signal, that is 1. Then n minus 3 is equal to 3. So n is greater than or equal to 3. X of n is equal to amplitude of previous one will be 1. The present one will be 1, that is equal to 0. Check the signal. Up to minus 2 to 3. Minus 2 to less than or equal to 3. Less than, sorry, this is less than 3. Not equal. Less than 3, it will be 1. N greater than or equal to 3, it will be 0. Greater than or equal to 3, it will be 0. Got everyone? Got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No,
Make
sir.
a note of this. Next problem you have to try. See, this type of problems we'll discuss discrete, and in the next class we'll discuss about continuous. Both discrete and continuous will finish by another 1 or 2 class. Then we'll discuss about, I have left out graphical representation of even and odd signal. We'll discuss 1 or 2 hours that one. Then some special graphical representations in this module, we'll discuss that 1 hour. Totally another 3 to 4 hours we'll finish this module. Monday we have only 1 hour previously. By day after tomorrow, Monday, I will take 2 hours. As usual, my hour first hour and morning first hour, afternoon first hour, I will take 2 hours. Totally in the next week, we'll get 6 hours. In that 3 to 4 classes, I will take for first module. Then second module, first half will be system and properties of system. That requires hardly 2 hours. So that we'll finish off IA portions by next weekend. Got?
Yes, sir.
So that for first IA 1.5 module. Shall I move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will write here. Try this problem. Problem number 123. X of n is equal to 3u of n plus 1 minus 5u of n minus 1 plus 2u of n minus 4. Try this problem. See, if you have only u of n, you can try it easily. But here what they will do, they have changed the amplitude. U of n, not u of n, 3u of n, 5u of n, 2u of n, like that they had given. At this time, we can go for formula method. It's very easy. Okay. See, what is the first signal? 3u of n plus 1. N plus 1 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 1. You write this one. N minus 1 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 1. N minus 4 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 4. Now, first case, n is equal to minus 1. Previous of this signal. Consider previous of this signal, so that n less than minus 1 is equal to x of n is equal to 0. Previous of this signal, we don't have any signal. Previous of this 0, considered as a 0. Next, we'll start with a first signal and we end with a second signal. First signal will be starts at minus 1, ends at plus 1, so that it will be vary from minus 1 less than or equal to n less than 1, that is equal to x of n is equal to, I am going to consider from this point to this point, second signal, I am going to consider the amplitude of first signal. Just consider 3. Amplitude of this first signal will be 3. Next, from next second signal to third signal. Second signal will be 1 less than or equal to n less than 4. Next signal will be 4. that is equal to what I need to do. What is the last case output? X of n last output. Last output of a x of n will be coming over here minus of present value. I need to consider this 5. This 5 present I am going to consider from this point to this point. That is why I am going to consider this amplitude. What is the value? 3 minus 5 will be minus 2 I am going to get. Now the signal greater than this. Now n is greater than or equal to 4 where x of n is equal to, what is the previous output I got? Previous output minus 2, no?
Yes, sir.
That will be coming over here,
Yes, sir.
minus 2. Then what is the present value I am going to consider? After this I am going to consider the present value will be plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. Now, if you want, you can check or you can sketch. Finally, we can sketch the signal L less than minus 1, 0. Minus 1, n less than minus 1, it will be 0. From minus 1 to 1, it will be 3, 0, 1. Three, 3. From 1 to 4. Less than or equal to, not less than 1. Minus 1, 1. Sorry. Less than or equal to 1. Then from 1 to 4, we have a amplitude minus 2. One to less than 4, it will be minus 2. All other conditions will be 0. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take next problem. X of n is equal to 2u of n plus 3 minus 3u of n plus 1 minus 4u of n minus 1 plus 5u of n minus 2. Try this problem. Got the answer? What is the answer?
Sir, n less than minus 3 x of n is equal to 0.
Okay.
Minus 3 less than or equal to n less than minus 1 x of n is equal to 2.
Okay.
Minus 1 less than or equal to n less than 1 where x of n is equal to 3.
3 no minus 1 no.
-1, sir.
-1, sir.
2 minus 3 you will get -1.
1 less than or equal
Yes,
to
sir.
n less than 2, where x of n equals to -5.
Yes.
N greater than or equal to 2, where x of n equals to 0.
Yes. Shishir,
Yes, sir.
the second case you will get 2 no. 2 you will get. Then if you are going to
Yes, sir.
consider third one, previous answer will be 2. Then you will get -3 is an amplitude. Check
So
out
that sum
that.
we should consider, sir.
Huh?
2 minus 3 we should consider, sir. Like the sum of previous and
What is the answer you got previously? 2 you got no.
yes, sir.
Then the next step, if you are going to consider n plus 1 from +1 to -1, what is the amplitude? That is -3 amplitude, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that we need to consider. If it is -3, you can consider -3, or as +3, you can consider +3.
Okay, sir.
Okay, shall I move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the answer you got, for that you have to sketch the signal. Write down this x of n. You will get 2 comma -1 comma -1, and 5 you will get, sorry, -5. This is the origin. For this you have to sketch the signal for the given problem. Next problem. X of n is equal to 4u of n minus 1, 4u of n minus 1 minus 2u of n minus 3 plus 3u of n minus 4 minus 5u of n minus 5. See, it will be starts at n minus 1 is equal to 0, plus 1 to 3 first signal, plus 3 to plus 4, plus 4 to plus 5, greater than 5, less than 0, so less than 1. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು?
Sir, weekend, sir.
ಓಹ್, ಏನ್ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ? ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಕೈಗೆ ಏಟ್ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೀಕೆಂಡಾ? What is the x of n from Sample 1 to 3.
4, sir.
4.
4.
From 3 to 4.
2, sir.
2.
2. 4 to 5.
5, sir.
5.
Okay, correct. Sketch the signal for the given answer. Next, try this problem. See, observe the given problem is in terms of continuous. This is x of t, not x of n. This is your u of t. This is your u of t minus 4. T minus 4 is equal to 0. T is equal to 4. The signal will be starts at 4. It will be shifted towards positive. Now, I need to take difference between these two. At 0 we have 1. Up to 3 we have 1. At 4 we have 1. 4 at 4 we have an amplitude 1 1. Up to 4 it will be 1. At 4 it is 0. It will be coming towards 0. 0 1 2 3. This is amplitude 1. This is your x of t. Here the same procedure. T will be less than 0, where x of t is equal to 0. Next, it will be vary from 0 less than t less than 4. Less than 4. X of t is equal to 1. When t greater than or equal to 4, when x of t is equal to previously 1, this amplitude will be minus 1. That will be 0. And finally, you will get x of t is equal to u of t minus 4 is equal to 1 when t lies between 0 less than 4. This is the final solution.
So can you explain second step, sir? 0
Sorry?
0 to 4, how x of t is equals to 1, sir?
See, I am going to consider from this point to this point. Am I right?
Yes,
U
sir.
of t means it is 0. U of t minus 4. T minus 4 is equal to 0. T is equal to plus 4. T will be vary from 0 to 4. I am going to consider the amplitude of first one. U of t means it's an amplitude of 1. What we discussed in the last problem, same procedure only. But here we need to consider t.
Okay.
Got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, try for second problem. U of t plus 1. U of t plus 1 See, write properly. This is t, this is plus. It will be looking same. Minus u of t minus 1. Try this problem. This is simple. You can cross check with respect to graphical representation. If it is two or more signal with amplitude, different amplitudes, you can go for formula method. Then you can sketch the signal x of t finally. Okay, take some assignment problems. Take some assignment problems. X of t is equal to 3u of t minus 4u of t minus 1 plus u of t plus 2, 129. X of t is equal to minus 2u of t plus 1 plus 3u of t minus 1 plus 4u of t minus 2 minus 5u of wait for something. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is 5u of t minus 3. Then take last problem. Two minus u of t minus 3 minus 3u of t minus 4. Okay, take all these three problems, assignment. You solve it in assignment book. You take next problem 131. Sketch the first derivative. Sketch the first derivative of the following. The following. That first one, x of t is equal to minus 2 u of t plus 1 plus 3 u of t minus 1 plus 4 u of t minus 2 t minus 3. We need to sketch the first derivative. Okay, just you can take x dash of t is equal to the same signal u dash of t plus 1 plus 3 u dash of t minus t minus 1 plus 4 u dash of t minus 2 minus 5 u dash of t minus 3, or else you can directly differentiate this. If I am going to differentiate u of t, you will get delta of t. Delta of t, that is minus 2 delta of t plus 1. Just u is replaced by delta, first derivative, plus 3 delta of t minus 1 plus 4 delta of t minus 2 minus 5 delta of t minus 3. 3-4 years back, once they asked like this problem. Sketch the first derivative of the following. They will give u of t, you will get delta of t. If they will give delta of t, you will get r of t. Like that. If they will give r of t, you will get u of t. I have given some note, right? Differentiation of u of t, delta of t, differentiation of delta of t, what you will get? Differentiation of r of t, what you will get? Like that I had given, no?
Yes, sir.
Whether I had given or not?
Given, sir.
Okay. Now for this signal we need to sketch. How to sketch the signal? Now here we have an amplitude of minus 2 at t plus 1 is equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 1. T minus 1 is equal to 0. T is equal to 1. Then t minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 is equal to t is equal to 2. T minus 3 is equal to 0. T is equal to 3. We have a time slot minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is my time slot. Okay, whatever it may be t, we are going to deal with the delta of t. What is delta of t? Delta of t is equal to 0 when t is equal to 1. All other cases it is not. This is the condition. T is equal to, sorry, not 0. Delta of t is equal to 1 at t is equal to 0. This is the signal we are going to get. Delta of t is equal to t. Same signal. If it is delta of n is also 1 when at 0 we have. Okay, this is a unit area. Unit area we are going to call. Now at t time slot minus 1. What is the amplitude of the signal? Minus 2. Minus 2. Then 0. No, we don't have a signal. At t is equal to 1. What is the amplitude? Plus 3. Plus 3. Then t is equal to 2. At time slot 2, what is the amplitude? We have a 4. This is the time slot 2. Then what is time slot 3? We have a minus 5. We have a minus 5. Like this we need to sketch. This is the final output. If you do like this, you will get 6 marks for this much. Any doubts regarding this problem? Shall I move to next problem?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, take next problem. Try this problem. Try this problem. X of t is equal to 3u of t minus 4u of t minus 1 plus 5u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 3 minus 3u of t minus 4. Sketch the first derivative. If they will give 3u of n, we will get all t replaced by n. Then in the next step, delta with respect to t replaced by n. This is the difference between discrete and continuous. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Got the answer? Have you got the answer?
Doing, sir.
At 0 we have a 3, at 1 we have minus 4, at 2 we have 5, at 3 minus 1, at 4 minus 3. Everyone got?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll try for next problem. Sketch x of t is equal to r of t plus 2 minus 2 r of t plus r of t minus 2. So far we discussed about u of t. Now we need to discuss about R of t. A little bit difference in this U of t and R of t. See here, I will consider first signal. T plus 2 is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 2 and t is equal to 0, second signal, and last signal t is equal to 2. What you will do, first consider t is less than minus 2, you will get x of t is equal to 0. Look it here. Now next signal is starts at minus 2, ends at 0. I will take minus or equal to t less than 0, where x of t is equal to, I need to consider this time slot, not amplitude. In u of t we have considered the amplitude, but in this r of t we need to consider this signal, that is t plus 2 we need to consider. Next, from 0 to 2. 0 less than or equal to t less than 2, where x of t is equal to, what is the last case output? T plus 2 is the last output, and this output we have a t here multiplied with this amplitude. In first signal also t plus 2 multiplied with this amplitude will be 1, that is why I have taken t plus 2. In the second signal, this is minus 2 r of t multiplied with this amplitude, this is minus 2, that is why I will take minus 2 times of t is equal to, what is the value you will get? T plus 2 minus 2t, t minus 2t, you will get minus t, so that you will get minus t plus 2 is the answer. Always you have to write in terms of t plus 2, t plus 3, that is why t minus 2t you will get minus t plus 2 as usual. Next, t greater than or equal to 2. After this, what is the signal here? After this you will have x of t. What is the previous output? Minus t plus 2 is my previous output. This t plus 2 is a previous output for this. Minus t plus 2. Then I am going to consider this t minus 2 plus t minus 2. Minus t plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, you will get 0. Now I need to sketch the signal. Now less than 2 it will be 0. The signal will be from minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Just will take minus 2. From this signal, this first signal will only we are going to consider these two signals. I am not going to consider this because already 0. This is also 0. Now I am going to consider first one minus 2 to 0. What is the signal we have? T minus t plus 2. Now here write down t plus 2. What is the first time slot? Minus 2. Substitute in this equation minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. You will get 0. Next substitute minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2. You will get 1. Next substitute 0. You will get 2. Am I right? 0, amplitude 1, amplitude 2 you are going to get. Up to 0, minus 2 to 0. Next 0 to 2. We have a equation minus t plus 2. Minus t plus 2. This is for minus 2 to 0. This is for 0 to 2. Now for 0 to 2 we have an equation minus t plus 2. Minus t plus 2 from 0 to 2. Substitute first 0. Minus 0 plus 2. You will get 2. Across 0 we have a 2. Again next one minus 1 plus 2. You will get 1. Next minus 2 plus 2. You will get 0. Means your signal will be like this. Got everyone? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
Okay, please make a note of this. Next class we'll continue some other problems. 2 minutes I'll take attendance. Nivedita? Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next class. I have taken attendance.
Thank you, sir.